I am Uwais, a professional video editor having experience of more than 4 years creating long form and short form videos. I specialize in Instagram and TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, VSL, etc. So, using tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, CapCut, I can deliver clean edits with trending effects, motion graphics, subtitles, and perfect music sync. Here are some recent works, let me show you.
Far more important, timing. Because within the week, a key event was about to unfold. He needed one thing to shape his future, gold, and fate had handed him the perfect opportunity. A night at the gate, Dominan, blocking his path to his own father, mocking him in front of the entire estate. So Logan challenged him to a duel. The estate held its breath, waiting for the fall of the foolish young lord. But what they got was the rebirth of a monster. With a single strike, Logan shattered Dominan's guard and their expectations. For the first time in years, the name Logan McLean echoed through the manor, not in shame, but in fear.
Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare ClickUp and Miro, two very different but equally powerful platforms designed to help teams work better. I'll break down their core features, user experience, integrations, pricing, and more. By the end of this video, it's known for its online. Both tools do a great job, but they cater to different styles. ClickUp can feel a bit overwhelming at first because of how customizable it is. Ability is unmatched.
If you want these type of videos for your business, message me. Thank you for connecting.